What are you making there for Valentine's Day? Are you making what?
I'm making waffles.
No, not waffles. You're making cupcakes? Cupcakes with what?
With syrup.
Syrup? Are you crazy?
And the waffles go with syrup.
Waffles go with syrup. You're going to make some cupcakes with some love? All right, can you open that box?
I didn't open that box.
Can you try?
I didn't open that box.
Oh. 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 Oh.
I need to open that.
Yeah, open that up. Open that up because we got to dump that mix in this bowl here. Oh, yeah. That's a good start. Yeah, okay, we got to put that in the bowl here. Oh, I think I have to open that for you. Okay, we're going to take a commercial break. Say commercial break.
Full break.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.